Hello everyone. So in this video, we are going to learn about the Node.js authentication using the MongoDB database. Okay. So first of all, let's initiate our project. Okay. So open the terminal and type npm init and this y. Now let's install the Express. Okay. And after that, we need what we need Mongoose. Okay. And then we need a body parser, some middleware so that we don't get undefined for the request.body objects. Okay. And then we will make the structure of our app. Okay, authentication end-to-end app. Okay, so mkdir. Okay, so make directory inside this practice session. What is it? Database. Okay, inside this database we need do it later. Okay, we need another folder which is called middleware. Okay, so we got middleware, and then we need another folder called routes. Okay, so we created our folders. Okay, and inside this we need a index.ts. Okay, so sorry, index.js. Okay, so this file is for the schema optimization and connecting to the MongoDB database server. Okay. Hmm. So let's get started with this first. Okay, so let's first install import the mongoose. Okay, require require hmm, mongoose dot connect. Okay, now we need the connection string. Okay, so first open your Chrome browser, hmm, and then just search MongoDB. Just log into this. Okay. um, uh, okay, so we are now logged into our um, database. Now let's create a new project in here. Okay, so our project name will be authentication for the YouTube practice session 02. Create project. Then just create on this then just tap on this create a cluster. Okay, let's name our app it's cluster, and then select this free over here. Yeah, everything is right. Just copy this password. Okay, save this password somewhere. Okay, and create tap on this create database user. Okay, just choose a connection method, then will be compass. Okay, I have MongoDB compass installed. Okay, so if you don't have, please install this and log in. Then okay, now this will take some time to give us a connection string. Okay. So we got our cluster created. Okay, now let's tap on this connect. Okay, then compass. Okay, so now we got our connection string. Okay, tap on this, click copy. Okay, then paste it over here, and then copy your password. And then paste with this. Okay. So now we got our connection string. Okay. Then what we have to do? Okay, we have to create the schemas. Okay, schemas for what? Schema for our users, admins, and the courses. Okay, so in this app, we are selling some courses. Okay. So now how to create a schema? Okay, so now let's create a schema for a user. Okay, so user schema, okay, equals to new mongoose dot schema. Okay, and then what we want for the user, we want like a username, okay, which is a type of a string. Okay, then we want a password, which is also a type of a string. Okay, after this we will insert purchased courses also. Okay, so this like user schema also will have a courses. Okay. Then courses that this user may have purchased. Okay, then we have this admin schema. Okay, so new mongoose dot schema. Yeah. Okay, then we have our course schema. Course schema equals to mongoose dot schema. Okay, in this we have a title of a string, and then we have this description of title of a type of string. Okay, and then we have a price for this also, which is a type of a number. Okay, then we have okay, then we have like title, description, price, and then we have this image link, which is a type of a string. Okay, so now we created our schemas. Okay, now let's now create the models. Okay, so const user equals to okay mongoose dot model. Okay, and now this username is the table name. Okay, like this under the codes. Okay, so this will be our table name. Okay, and what's the schema? This is the user schema. So const admin equals to mongoose dot model. Okay, our table name, and then the schema. Okay, and then we have our course. Okay, so mongoose dot model course 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 schema. Okay, now we have to export these schemas. Okay, export these models. Okay, so module dot exports equals to this curly brackets, and then insert this the user, the admin, the course. Nice. Okay, now in the middleware. Okay, so what are we going to do with the middlewares? We are going to create a middleware which tests if the user or the admin exists or not. Okay. So the first for the admin.js. Okay, so create this function, let's say the admin middleware. Okay, side we have and then next. Okay, so now what first let's export this function. Okay, middleware exports equals to admin middleware. Okay. Now what we have to do here is to get the username, okay, from the headers dot username. Okay, and then get the password equals to rec headers dot password. Okay, Now we have to find this username with this password. Okay. So like get the admin from the database. Okay. So import this from this /db. Okay. Admin dot find one. Okay. Um, with this username and this password. This username and this password. Okay. And this password. What are we going to do after we got this username and the password? We will get some values from this. Okay, so dot then open a function. Okay, capture that value if, okay, if this username with this password exists. Okay, so like if value, okay, is true, then next, okay, like proceed whatever you are going to do with this. Okay. Else rest.json um, message that this admin does not exist. Okay, easy. Okay, so this is our middleware for the admin routes. Now we have to create the similar one for the user also. Okay, so create a new file in the middleware dot like user.js. Okay, and copy this from here. Okay, will be exact the similar. Okay, just have to get the user. Okay, user dot find one. Okay, user doesn't exist. And the user middleware. Okay. So nice. So we are now complete with the database and the middleware. Okay, now we have to create the routes. Okay, so first we have first route is the admin.js. Okay. hmm Now what we have to do is like get the router. Okay, from where? Okay, from the express, and then const router equals to this big router. Okay, so our first route will be const router dot post. We will sign up with the user. Okay, so sign up request. What are we going to do with that? Okay, get the username um, rec.body dot username. Okay, get the password also rec.body dot password. Okay. And this is the admin route. Okay, so admin dot create, okay, this username and with this password. Simple. Okay, so res.json message admin created successfully. um we have to call in here the you have to use async await syntax. Okay. Yeah, so nice. So now let's test also this. Okay, but first we have to create a root file. Okay, so const wait a second, const express equals to required express equal const body parser equals to required body parser. And then what we need, the port equals to, let's say, 3000, and then Hmm, okay, are we exporting this? Wait a second. Const x module dot exports equals to this router. Okay. Now get that router from the what did we exported here? Router. I am getting this. Yeah. So router and this like wait a second. App dot use app dot use let's name this as admin router. Okay, admin router. So for all the slash admin routes, okay, use this admin router. Okay, and app equals okay, we didn't define the app. Okay, so const app equals to express. Okay, so then app dot listen to the port, this callback function. Okay, console.log app is listening to port this. Everything looks right in here. Let's just test our application. Postman. Okay, so the localhost colon sorry, localhost 3000, no? Then for all the admin routes, okay, use this admin router. Then sign up. Sign. Sorry, sign up. Okay. Okay. So like uh, the index.js. Okay, we are using slash admin. Okay. In front of all the admin routers. Okay. Like admin slash admin will come before this. Okay. Like you have to now type the sign up. Okay. Sign up, and what is it asking for the username and the password. Okay. Which is a post function. Post. What is it asking for? Username on this. Okay. Username. Um, let's say current. Okay. After that we have this password. Okay. 2345678. We will get an error shortly. So node mon. Now our application is started. Still errors. Okay, so what is the error? Cannot read the properties of undefined. Okay. We didn't use this body parser. Okay, so app dot use. Okay. Body parser dot json. Now we shouldn't get this undefined. We will get an error also. Admin created successfully. Okay. Okay, now let's check on the MongoDB compass. Okay, we didn't actually connect it to the compass. Maybe it was send directly to the browser only. I don't know. Okay. new connection string. Okay, so what was the connection string in this index.js? Okay, get this. Okay, paste it over here and save and connect. This thing. Okay, let me test. So we got the data in here. Okay, and this is the like test folder. Okay, we if you want to make your own folder in here, okay, you have to like type the database name over here, here. Okay, so like let's say course underscore selling underscore app. Okay, so now if we post and why it is taking so much time, so okay, we should get a new. Okay, so we got our app in here, course selling app admins. We got the data over here. Nice. Okay, make this thing admin.js. Okay, let's create some like what if we already have that this username with the password. Okay, no matlab, what if we have already this username? Okay, so this username should be like unique. Okay, so like admin dot find one with this username. Okay, if you found this, okay, dot then function get the value in here. Okay, if the value is true. Okay, like if we got this if we got our data with this username. Okay, then we will say like res.json like message use admin admin already exists. Okay, else we are going to do this thing. Okay, await only allowed raising function at top level. Okay, just await this. Okay, so now if we create the same user with the same username, okay, we should get an error over here. Admin already exists. Nice. So now let's create the second route, which is to create courses. Okay, to create courses. Okay, so over this courses route. Okay, request. Nice. So just get the course title from const title. Okay, so rec dot body dot title. Okay, then get the like get this description, get the price, and then get the image link. Okay, nice. We got this thing. Okay, so now we want to create the courses if the admin already exists in our database. Okay, so now let's get this over here. Like to use this middleware, you just have to like paste the that admin middleware over there. So admin middleware. Okay, and we are all sorted. Okay, so now this function will run for this also. Okay, hmm oh, if everything is correct, the course will be created. Okay, so like get the course from the db dot create with the title, description and the price and the image link. Okay, and await this. Okay, async. So rest.json, a message will show up that the course has been created successfully. uh, Now let's make a route for to get all the courses. Okay, so this will be easy. Courses. Let's try this first. Okay. So what's the route? Post admin courses. Okay. First we have the title, then we have the description. So what will be the title? It is full stack web dev development course. Okay, and then in this course you will learn how to make a Paytm clone in Next.js. Okay. Then we have this price. Okay, just like 123. And then we have something called the image link. Okay. So what's the image link? It is https google.com/cat.png. Okay, so now what this middleware asks. Okay, so this middleware asks a username and a password from the headers. Okay, if that only exists in the this admin table. Okay, so now how to do this? Hmm. First let's check all the users. Okay, like inside this admin we have only one user with the current username and this 12378 password. Okay, so let's first try with the wrong keys. Okay, so username, let's say username, let's say is the correct one. Okay, and then the password. Okay, 123. Okay, we have the body, we have the correct route. Okay, but we inserted the wrong password. Okay, so we should get admin doesn't exist. Okay. Yeah, admin doesn't exist. Okay, so like if you try with the correct password, okay, then we should see the course creation. Course has been created successfully. Okay, so now let's check the database for the courses. Okay, so now we have the course. Okay, so we have created our course successfully. Let's create another course from some different users. Okay, sign up to um, different sign up uh, raw body. We have the username. Okay, current 123. Okay, then we have the password. That's equality admin created successfully. Now we have two users. Okay, so let's get the headers. What was it like? What was the user? Current 123. Current 123 equality. Let's now create this course, which is a full stack backend web3 course. Okay. Current.png. Okay. Why is it taking so time? Headers quality 123. Now we should see two courses. Okay, no, yeah, done with this. Okay, Now let's create a router to see all the courses we have created. Okay, router dot post. Okay, no, not post. Okay, we as admin we should see all the courses, like courses. Okay, nice. Then rec res, and then get all the courses. So const all courses. Okay, how we can get this? It is the easiest one, maybe the course. First get the course. Find maybe I should done as.json um courses all courses. Let's create this as await async. Okay, nice. Okay, so we have to use this get function. Okay, and we need this admin middleware over this. Okay, so admin no, not this admin middleware. Okay, so we have to keep these headers. Okay, and get the courses. Nice, so we got all the courses. Okay, by the admins. Nice, so we are now done with this admin routes. Now let's create the user routes also. Okay, so user dot js. Okay, first just get the router. Okay, from express express, and then const router equals to router. So router dot post the user. Sign up. Get the request and the response. Okay, get the username from the rec.body.username. Okay, get the password from the rec.body dot this password, and then check if the user already exists or not. So user dot find one with this id, with this username. Okay, so with this username. Okay, if you find one, okay, then function get this value. Okay, if the value is correct, okay, then res.json should get a message that says user already exists. Okay, else we have to create this user. Okay, so user dot create a new user with this username and the password. Sorry, inside this curly brackets password. Nice. Okay, we use the await status over here. Oh, we should not use this. We are already using this then function, so we have we don't have to use this like async await. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So now we are done with this. Now let's just sign up. Okay. For the user routes. User sign up. Post, then get the users. Okay. Username, user1, password. Okay, QWERTY. Cannot post user sign up. Cannot post user sign up. Okay. Yeah, we didn't have created yet. So app.use slash user okay, and get the user router. Const user router equals to require cite the routes, so cite the user. No, we should not get any errors. Requires a middleware function but got a object. We didn't export it yet. Module.exports equals to router. App is running. That's.json. Oh, okay. It is hung up because we didn't send anything. Okay. Message. User created successfully. Now we should see user already exists. User created successfully. Yeah, so we got now the two users. Okay. Nice. Now let's create the second router. Which is to like what should we create now? Let's now get all the courses. Okay, first get all the courses. So router dot get all the courses. Courses. Course. Sorry. Courses. Okay. Nice. Right. Response. Hmm. So const course. Const all the courses equals to await async. Okay. Course dot find all the courses. Then rest dot json courses all the courses. Okay, we don't have to check this out. Okay, this will be corrected obviously. So now let's purchase the course. Okay. So router dot host so courses. Okay, slash the course id. Okay, so now we have to get the course id to purchase some course. Okay, so rec response equals to hmm, mm, and we need the middleware. Okay, um user middleware. Okay, so first we have to give the user the course type. Okay, so like the purchased courses. Okay, which is an array of like type uh, type. So what's the type? Okay, so mongoose dot schema dot types dot object id. Okay, so reference to what? Reference to this course. Okay, reference to this course table. Hmm. So now just cancel this. Okay. So now we have to implement the implement course purchasing logic in here. Okay. Okay, so first we have to fetch this course ID. Okay, so how are we going to do that? Course ID equals to request dot params. Oh, sorry. Equals to rec dot params dot this course ID. Okay. If I write x over here, then I should do x over this. Okay, but we have to get the course ID. So the course ID. And then we have to get the username from the headers. Okay, user ID from the headers for which user which is user is going to buy this course. Okay, so get this from the headers dot the username. Okay, then we have to await and find this user. Okay, um, just find that user dot find one with this username. Okay, with this username, and what we are going to do with username. Okay, we are going to push. Okay, um, I'm sorry, we already got this header name now. Like if someone is already logged in, they should have this username. Okay, um, update one. Okay, like we already have that one. Okay, so just update this. Okay, like push. Maybe this. Okay, yeah. So push. What like purchased courses and this course ID. Okay, course ID. Okay, and then this. Oh. So press dot JSON. Send us a message that purchased course successfully. Okay, now let's try this. Okay. So for this user, like what's the like course no first user. Okay, so user then courses, and then we have to type the course ID. Okay, in here. Okay, so let's get a course ID from here. Okay, so we have this, like maybe this is the course ID. Hmm. And then we have the username in the header. Okay, so current 123, we do have that user. Current 12, no, we don't have that user. No, current 123. So user one. Yeah, that works. That should work. Purchased course successfully. So now we should get a array. Okay, yeah, we got this array purchase course. Inside this, we have our course. Okay, let's buy this course from this user also. Okay, let's buy the another course. We do have two courses now. Um, so now buy this course. Enter. So now our both users should have the courses. Yeah, nice. Hmm. So now our last router is to get the purchased course. Okay, from per user. Router dot post. Yeah, am I doing this? Okay, so router dot get uh, purchased courses request and response and this. Okay. Um. So first of all, we have to get the username. Okay. So username equals to rec dot headers dot username. Okay, so we got the username. Okay, um, no, not the username. Let's get this like user. Okay, um, and then we have to find the course. Like, what should we logic here? Course, away maybe. User dot find one with mm, not course like um let's name this as the user and cancel this thing. Okay, get this request dot headers over the here. Okay, so user name and then this. Okay, um async. Okay, make this as the async function. So now let's get the course. Okay, huh await course course. Okay, dot find one with that username. No, not the user. That's the okay. So wait a second. uh for the object ID, no, not this one. Okay, so we have this like for the courses we have this underscore ID. Okay, so just get this underscore ID. Okay, and maybe cite the user dot get all the purchased courses. That should work. um JSON courses, course maybe. So we do have any errors? No. Purchased purchase courses for this user one too. Okay, no, not the post request. Yeah, so we got the courses. Okay, now let's purchase one more course from this user. Okay, so like courses, and then the course ID. Okay, course ID, second this course. Okay, post this. Okay, purchase successfully, get the courses from this user. Purchased courses. Still this guy have two courses. Why? User want to have two courses now. Oh, two courses of the same ID. Okay, so we have got the same courses. We should take this ID. 94 or 80E. Purchase course successfully. Uh, get the. Why this guy still have three courses now? 80, 80, 94. Oh, okay. Wait a second. We didn't use the user middleware over here. Okay. Uh, yeah. So now it should work properly. Uh, purchased courses. Wait a second. Okay, I found the error. We are finding one only. uh, now we got the two courses. Okay. Mm, so that's all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching.